How to fix Tears of Metal is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game, open the properties, and in the launch options you want to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. Once it's completed, close Steam. Now open up your browser and navigate to this link, which you can find below in the description. And from the redistributable table here, you will need to get the 86 and the 64 installers and install both of them, which will require computer restart when you're done. So make sure to do that. The next thing you'll need to do is update your GPU driver. So you can either use the NVIDIA app, which is this one here, or the AMD software. Totally depends on which GPU you're running. For NVIDIA, you will need this, and make sure to download and install the latest available driver update. Now, once you're done, all you need to do is right-click on Steam and run as admin, and just launch the game from your library. Now, that should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.